everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. I've got a cute project for you today and it screams fall. So I'm all about the apples and all that kind of goodness at this time of year. So let me share with you first off what we're going to be working with here, and then you'll get to see the finished product at the end. And this is very quick and easy. So I'm starting with our 3x6 cello bags. These can be found in our annual catalog. I'm also using, and you guys have seen me using this a lot lately, the Harvest Hello bundle. That's this stamp set and the punch bundled together, and you save 10%. And here is that item code number if you're interested in placing an online order through my online store. I'll have links in the description box just below this video. So that comes together as a bundle and you'll save 10%. That can also be found on page 49 of our holiday catalog, and that's this stamp set here. One other stamp set that I am using, which I really like, is called the Love What You Do. This is not available in a bundle, but it is sure pretty, and that's the item number. And this can be found in our annual catalog on page 143, and that is this beauty up here. And I'm using the thank you sentiment. I think the font is just beautiful. So that's that item number, and this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous set. So let me set those aside. You're also going to need a clear block, a memento or black ink pad, a stapler, and I'm using a our baker's twine, and I've just tied a little bow, pair of scissors, and then the meat and potatoes of the whole thing is you're going to need a little treat. So this is my fall, this is what's left of, this is my third batch I have made of this. This is my fall pumpkin Chex party mix, and it is fantastic. So I made a big batch of this for all of my PT people and made thank you gifts. And so I will post the recipe for my pumpkin fall Chex mix over on my blog. You'll be able to find links down below. Just open the box that says show more, and there'll be a link directly over to thehappystamper.com, and then you can get the recipe there. It's super easy, very quick, and delicious. Just perfect for this time of year. So you're going to need that. And that's it, you guys. That is it. Let's see. I am going to get my little pad out here because I don't want to ruin my surface. Okay. All right, so let's start with our 3x6 cello bag. And it's our gusseted bags. And I am going to fill this with some of my Scrumptious. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how big the pecans are in here. Yum! Yeah. Bring it on. I am all about the nuts. Oh my gosh, there isn't all that much in here, but I'm just going to do this for you guys, and I will be making more. My husband said when I came down here, what? You're taking the party mix? So we're almost out. I'm going to make more, but it is just delicious. Okay, so let me pour a little bit out. I put in about that much. And I'll tell you exactly. I left, this is a huge mambo, about 2 1/4 inches from the top. Okay, so you're going to fill it with whatever your little treat is. I'm also using our Real Red cardstock. This piece measures 3.5 by 4.5. And I have that scored right down the middle. I'm on my scrapbooking side of my desk, so I don't have my bone folder over here, but this is where I do my film. But you're just going to fold it in half, so you'll have a tent there. And I am going to close my bag like so, and I'm going to staple this. Now, if this is for small children, you may not want to do staples, but, you know, just keep that in mind. You could always just do double-sided tape on either side and close it up that way, and then you don't have to worry about little fingers. But I'm just going to staple it like so. Okay, I just did one on all the ones that I did. And I'm going to set that off to the side. Hold on. Hi, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, I'm back. I had to grab a little sheet of Pop Dots here. So I left off here. We've stapled our little goodie bag closed. I've got that set off to the side. And then I've got some scrap pieces here. I've got just a scrap of our Real Red, I believe this is garden green, and just a scrap of school book kind of looking paper. So let's punch our adorable apple that also can be a pumpkin. And I think that's so cute. I'm saving the little leaves. I don't know what I'm really going to do with them, but you know. And that's it. That's all we're going to do right now. Next, we're going to stamp our sentiment on the apple. And it's going to say, thank you. Thank you. You could make it say, you know, welcome, happy birthday, a friend like you, shine, you know, anything. It can say anything. All right, set that off to the side, and oh goodness, I forgot my brown paper. What can I use here that I have handy that would be a brown color? Right here. Okay, and then I'm just going to use another scrap of brown, and I'm going to take the punch and do, there's a little itty bitty stem right up here, so I'm just going to just do the stem. All right, and that's it. Let me just put that to the side, and we'll put this together. I used our green glue, but for the video purpose, I am going to just use our snail adhesive. Either or will work, and I'm just going to put that there, and then with my scratch piece, I'm going to punch out the little leaf. Because we have to make it all cute and looking festive. And I'm just going to adhere that there. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. I think it's super duper cute. This was a huge hit when I brought these to physical therapy for everyone. Okay, so now I am just going to adhere over the front of my bag topper this cute little paper that has, I'm not sure where it came from, I just had it in my stash, but it's got alphabet and letters all over it, like so. And then I'm going to pop up my little pop dot with some pop dots, my little apple. And I'm just going to put this on the back. And this is so super simple. I was thinking about making a bunch of these also for our Bible study that just started. But we have a huge group of 18. I was going to make something else, and then that went kapooty because it's a big group. Big group. Now, on my last one, I used a glue dot, and I'm going to do the same to adhere the little bow, like so. And I'm just going to attach it like that. And that's it, you guys. It is that simple to make an adorable fall bag topper, goodie gift, cuteness, all that kind of stuff. I don't even know what else to say about it because it's just so darn cute, but I love it. And it was a big hit. Big hit. Everybody loved the party mix, and the presentation was the bomb. So give it a try, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this gives you some idea and that you're looking forward to fall and all that goes with it. I am. It's football Sunday in my house, so I'm going to run up and make another batch. But look for the recipe over on my blog, thehappystamper.com, and try it yourself. All right, have a great week, and as always, hugs from me to you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.